Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the error we can't verify your subscription status. The first thing you may try is to reinstall the Adobe Creative Cloud. Try to reinstall it. Once you install it, input your credentials and see if it works. If it doesn't work and then you're working offline, you can also try this. Go to your Windows icon, type in Windows Defender, Firewall, open, and I want you to go to Advanced Settings. Then go on Outbound Rules. Then you need to insert a new rule. Here we select Program, then click Next. And then let's look for the path of the program or the Adobe that is causing this error. Just browse. For me, I'll use Adobe Photoshop. Just click on the executable file, click Open, then click Next. Here, block connections, and then click Next. Make sure they're all ticked, then you click Next. And here you put a name. I'll just put Photoshop. As you see, it's already enlisted here. After you do that, just click Finish. I hope this works. And you're done.